I have done this small automation project, and I'll be using a telegram bot in this automation project, and I'll be sending some commands to the telegram bot, and by that commands I'll be switching on and switching off these three LED bulbs. I have used one larger LED bulb and two smaller LEDs, green and red LED, and these are the connections I have made. And this is the ESP32 which I have used for automation of this project. I have connected this green LED to the D22 pin of ESP32 and ground of ESP32, and I have connected this red LED to the D23 pin of ESP32 and the ground. And for the larger LED bulb I have used a relay, and you can see that there are three pins on relay: VCCA, ground and in. I have connected VCC of relay to the ESP32 3v3 pin, and I have connected ground of ESP32 to the ground of relay, and you can see I have connected D4 pin of ESP32 to the input of relay. So finally these are the connections I have made, and I have connected this relay and bulb to the power supply. As I have mentioned earlier that I will be using a telegram bot for the automation project, so I have created one telegram bot through which I will be sending commands to switch on and switch off the bulb. So this is, now I have named the bot as ESP32. Now I will be sending some commands, and you can see here bot started of message. So now I can send commands. Initially I will be sending start command. So this command helps us to know what are the total commands available on this telegram bot. Here you can see there are total 9 commands available to switch on and switch off the bulb respectively, and to know the current state of the bulb. Now I will be sending LED bulb on command. LED bulb glows on. I will be sending LED bulb off command. LED bulb glows off. I will be sending red LED on command. Red LED glows on. Now I will be sending red LED off command. Red LED glows off. Now I will be sending green LED on command. Green LED glows on. Now I will be sending green LED off command. Green LED glows off. Now there are remaining commands like knowing the current state of the bulb. So I'll be checking current state of LED bulb. So LED off is off, and we are getting the exact status of the LED bulb. Now I'll be checking for the status of red LED bulb, and we got red LED off. So here red LED is off. Now I'll be switching on the green LED. Green LED glows on. Now I'll be checking the status of green LED. Status check of green LED. You can check here green LED is on, and so status is correct exactly. So this is the code that I have written for the automation project using the telegram bot. So these are the libraries that I have included, and here I have declared the pins, and this is for reading the commands and sending the correct output to the LED bulbs. So here this is the setup function. So here I have written code for a Wi-Fi connection. Here is the loop.